Thank you for joining. And today we are going to discuss about method overloading and method overriding. So slight difference is there between these two concepts, but it's very important to overload and to override whenever we are using methods in the real time. So here, when we talk about method overloading first, okay, the name itself says that overload means already some implementation is there, but again we are adding something, means it become overload actually. So here we use same, like we use methods will be same, but whenever we are using, and we can have some functionality. So simply we can say same, like class will be same, within the class only it is possible, but we can extend the implementation when as per our requirement. For example, suppose if like memory card is your load, okay, or method is memory, okay, suppose method is memory. So what you will do here, in your mobile memory is there, okay. So first you will take 2 GB, then 5 GB, then 8 GB, like that. Means what happened, we are adding the content for the memory. Got my point? Means it becomes overload. So we use here, okay. So when you talk about method overloading here, we use same method name, okay, but different parameters or arguments or parameters, okay. Means we can change whenever we want. For example, you can see method 1, method without any parameter, method with one more parameter, that is a, and method that is a comma b. So what happened here, simply you can understand, method implementation, okay, method implementation without any parameter. Now next one, method implementation with one parameter. Now here, method implementation without, sorry, more than one parameter, more than one parameter. So understand, same method can be used different parameters and different functionality, that we can use it here. Method overloading actually, okay. So simple, I'll give you only one example to understand more better. You can see here. Now I am taking one employee class, employee, okay. Now you can see def any method, you can say display bonus. This is the method. I am creating self variable and I am taking one default value, bonus equal to none. So default value is nothing, okay. Now if condition I'm passing here, bonus is not none. What will happen here, if bonus is not none, means here some null value, something we don't define here, no bonus is there. That means if bonus is not there, now if we are writing opposite here, what will happen here? Or else you can do if bonus is none, okay, or something whatever. Now what happened here? Print if bonus is there, what we will do here? Opposite, okay, we have no bonus, okay. If bonus is none value, then it is what happened? Then you can say this is, you can display bonus also. Then now let's see. So else, now else part here. Okay. Now else what we will do here? You print some value. You can write in another way also. Let's say you have bonus. I am writing directly actually for to print something. So after that what we will do? Create one instance that is for employee class. Okay. Then you can call the method. So what is the method? You can say object dot, the method is this display bonus. Now here what happened here? Bad operand for any non-type here. Okay, let's see. So where is this fourth line? What happened here? Print statement. Okay, now let's see. Remove this bonus, directly you can execute. Okay, plus non-type 9, you know, 1 second, let me execute again. This is string. Okay, so what we will do, I will write reverse actually. If bonus is not none, okay, then we have bonus. Okay, we have bonus. That bonus value we can print out here. That is okay. Else we don't have bonus. We have no bonus. Just for reverse I have done. Here what happened here? No bonus is defined. Okay, now same example you can call it here by adding something like 5,000 and execute. So we have bonus that is 500, 5,000. Okay, so what will happen here? We are passing the same program. The method display bonus is here. The display method bonus one is without any parameter. That means method implementation without any parameter. Second here, bonus is defined. Now 5,000 is another parameter. So same method display here you can write it. Okay, example explanation also you can write it here. So display bonus method, okay, method implementation or method is working for without any parameter and with parameter also. Okay, what happened here? So here display method has overloading. Display method has method overloading. So same method but different parameters and different implementation is processed. So you can same thing what you will do if you want to bring. So here same method I am calling twice here. One is without parameter. I am using with parameter here. So when I execute now, let's see. One method is we have no bonus and we have bonus is 5,000. So it is working for both. Okay. So this is how we can understand over method overloading. So whenever we are accessing any methods, the same method can be applied for in different ways. Okay. So that is method overloading. Now we have concept that is method overriding. Method overriding. So what do you mean by method overriding here? Changing the implementation, whatever the changing the implementation by another method. Okay, changing the implementation by another method within the class is called method overriding. So method names will be same but different implementation process. For example here, or you can write it here. So they're changing only parameters, but here changing the existing implementation by another method within the class. Okay, we can call it as method overriding. So here method names can be same name. Okay, so no need, we are not changing any method names here. We are changing existing implementation. We are changing existing implementation. Now what happened here? Now carefully understand here. Okay, simple. So now I am taking here class employee value and def init method. Okay, we have init method and then self variable. Now define that it is a class variable self dot bonus equal to 5,000. Then another method you take, that is main method. This is newly created method display bonus is a method name. You can take self variable. Then here return self dot bonus. Now I have another class, that is class salary. Okay, class salary will be there. Then and we are using null statement, nothing, we are not passing anything here. And create instance, that is object equal to salary. Okay, then print off, then you can say the method name object dot display bonus. Okay, so where it is a return. Okay, return. Okay, so salary object has no attribute. Mm, So here display bonus, we have what is happening here, attribute error, that is salary class. That salary class has no attribute, that is display bonus. It is available from employee. So that's why, to avoid this error, we need to apply what? We need to apply inheritance, means that is need to invoke computer class or employee. Okay, employee class within the salary class. So we need to make inheritance here. Okay, so when I execute here, now understand it. Now we need to invoke means what? Employee here, and then you can execute it here. So it is showing 5,000. Okay, it is showing 5,000 because this display bonus formula is self dot bonus. That's all. On different class also, not in the same class, different class also we can do. Now same example what I am taking here, different implementation like def display bonus, def display bonus, then self variable. Now what I am doing here, return self dot bonus plus 200 something, some value. Okay, now when I execute here, previously display bonus has only returning bonus, that is return statement, that is 5,000. Now from the salary, same method is same, but here one is self dot bonus, second one is self dot bonus plus 200. So here what you understand? So whenever you are taking here the value, and already display bonus has returns 5,000 bonus. Okay, and our 5,000 bonus, again same has return, or you can say returns 5,200 bonus. Okay, which means here display bonus functionality, which is logic I am defining here, return self dot bonus, but here return self dot bonus plus 200. So it means same method, the functionality is changes. Same method, the functionality is changes. So what do you understand here? So when I say return self dot bonus and return self dot bonus plus 200, which is called changing the implementation or changing the business logic, that means overriding. Existing formula is overridden and new formula will be added here. So this is how we can understand existing formula changes to self dot bonus plus 200 with the same method it changes. Okay, so which means to understand changing the existing implementation, that is salary, that is bonus, self dot bonus existing implementation by another method not within the class. Okay, you can say another method, any class we can take it. Okay, this is how we can understand method overloading and method overriding. Okay, clear? So we can go ahead multiple way. Okay, so based on that we can get the proper understanding about method overloading and method overriding. Overloading means changing the parameters. Overriding means changing the business logics. So you can, in single word, if you understand, method overloading means changing the parameters by same method name. Now here, method overriding, changing the business logic or implementation by same method name. That's it. Formula implementation changes. Okay, so we have encapsulation. So what do you understand encapsulation? So basically here it is like restriction related thing. Okay, so when you understand restriction point of view, we can understand encapsulation. So if you observe like Java and something else, now there we will be having private and public keyword in Java, but in Python we don't have public and private keyword. So you can write it here. We have no keywords, or we have no public and private keywords in Python. That is the first point. Okay. Now we are implementing public and private mechanism in Python using single underscore and double underscore. So you can say we have, or we can restrict using, that is, single underscore and, or single underscore as public and double underscore as private keyword in Python. So wherever you observe, single underscore is nothing but it is public and double underscore is a private keyword. Okay, so how to find it public and private? We can observe somewhere in the variable names or method names in front of those values or methods variables. If you observe or write it, if we observe, single underscore before methods and variables, then we can consider consider as we can consider as public. Okay, public, and that is example like single underscore salary. Okay, like that. Same thing if we observe double underscore before methods and variables. So regularly we won't use, but whenever you find somewhere in the code, you can use it. Then we can consider as private. That is okay. Double underscore salary. That is private variable. That is public variable. Okay. So this is for we can use public and we can use private. So these are the two components in Python. We don't have public and private keyword in Python. So what we will do here, so just we can understand. Now I'm taking here class employee. So take one employee variable or what are the class variable, whatever. So define init method. Okay, init method we can say that is self variable. Self dot single underscore salary equal to 5,000. So one variable which is having I'm taking that is salary 5,000. Another method I'm taking here income, that we can say self variable. Now print off. So whenever you can say variable for, or you can say value for variable. So what are the variable is, so we have one more format is there actually. So we will have another class. Okay, some class in the definition will be, so how to format in the string actually we have. Okay, so what we will do now, when we consider here for dot format, then that is self dot underscore single underscore only, that is salary. So now you can create instance for that. So what instance you can create, that is you can say object. So object equal to, now you can take here employee, that is instance creation. Now how to access the variable here, then object dot, then I am calling income here. So when I execute here, whenever we are accessing value for variable is 5,000 income. Now same object and single underscore salary I am calling, that is variable actually, variable value. Okay. Now after that again I am taking here, again I am taking 5,000. So what happened here? So we'll execute first onwards. First I executed 5000, then object dot single underscore only. Okay, only that is observation. Again if you call, okay, this is 5000. So is there, okay, what I will do here, I am mentioning 8000 here. Okay, now I am executing 8000. Okay, now I am executing here. What is the salary here? Value for variable is 8000. What is previous salary? That is 5000. And I am able to change it here because it's not private, it's a public, because single underscore is there. That's why we can't able to change it any value here. We can able to change it here. So that's why variable value for variable is 8000. Same example, what you are going to change it here, you can give double underscore, okay, here, wherever you want to define. So execute it here. Now object dot double underscore salary equal to 8000. Now again you can call it object, then income, execute it. What is happening, guys? Even though salary is there, even though salary is there, 8000 is assigned, but finally whenever I'm executing this method, that value is constant. We can't able to change it. It is restricted. That is, we have used here double underscore as a private. Okay, even if you change anything, it is fixed. It is not going. This value is constant. The thing is, it is private variable by observing this underscore. But here what is happening? Value for variable is 5000. After assigning the variable 8000, then in the single underscore, whenever I am executing same, second time I am executing the method, the value is changing to 8000. This is public because single underscore. Hope you are clear, everybody. Single underscore and double underscore, that is public and private keyword. Okay, clear? So what we will do, just try to write one example, same example.